Hello guys, how are you doing today? I believe you are up and strong. Now, this morning we are going to be looking at mathematics, and the topic we are looking at is cuboid. Now, before we go into this class, I just want to go briefly to what we learned in the last class. Now, in the last class we looked at three-dimensional shapes, and I mentioned to you the few types of three-dimensional shapes that we have. I remember mentioning to you the cube, the cuboid, the pyramid, the sphere, and of course the cylinder, among others. Now, we want to take a shape out of those three-dimensional shapes, and we want to look at the volumes and how to find areas of each of these dimensional shapes. Now, we are going to be picking on the cube. Now, today we are looking at cube, and the question is, what is a cube? A cube has 6 faces. It has 12 straight lines and 8 vertices. If you remember in last class, I mentioned to you how you can find your vertex and the lines, and also the curves and the faces of a three-dimensional shape. Now, looking at the cube we are looking at today, I'm going to be giving you the formulas on how to get the area, the volume of this cube. Now, we have a question before us, and it says find the volume of the cube. And you know what your cube looks like. A cube looks just exactly like a rectangle. Now, that is a cube. Now, we have our length as this place, this is our breadth, and this is our height. Now, let's assume that we are given the length of 12 centimeters, and we are given the cube, the breadth of 3 centimeters, and the height 4 centimeters. The question is, how do I solve this question? It's very simple when you know your formula to a question like this. Now, Omar, I want you to give me your attention. The same thing, Gabriel, give me your attention, because this formula is what will help you to solve millions of volumes having to do with three-dimensional shapes, okay? Now, to find your formula for volume, you are going to say V equals to length times breadth times height. Can you see that? Wow, very easy, very simple. But this formula is a key. If you don't have the key, you won't be able to unlock this question. Now, volume equals to, what's our length? 12 centimeters. What's our breadth? 3 centimeters. And what's your height? 4 centimeters. Now, Gabriel, tell me, what is 12 times 3? What is 12 times 3? Okay, 12 times 3 is what? 36 centimeters times 4. Omar, your turn. What is 36 times 4? What is 36 times 4? Quickly calculate it. What is 36 times 4? Okay, very good. That's 144 centimeters. That is our final answer. But in this case, we don't end it up as a square. Rather, we end it up as a cube. Why? Because we are dealing with length times breadth times height. Do you understand now? All right. Thank you very much. I'm going to give you some classwork now, which you are going to solve for me. Okay? Good.